Hey guys, it's Becca. Today I'll be showing you how to recreate my Twice Dance the Night Away inspired design. Start off by painting your index and middle nails white and all of your other nails black. Apply a liquid latex barrier around the nail. Apply teal, light blue, light yellow, and beige polishes to a makeup sponge as shown, and then dab it onto the nail. Repeat until it's opaque. Remove the liquid latex. Dab a small bit of white polish where the light blue meets the beige. Apply liquid latex around the nail again. Drip some white polish into room temperature water and then spray it with hairspray to break it up. Line up your nail with the section of polish you want to transfer onto your nail and then dip it into the water. Sealing your design with a top coat. Apply a liquid latex barrier around the nail. Dot dark blue, medium blue, teal, and light blue onto a makeup sponge as shown and then dab it onto the nail. Repeat until it's opaque. Remove the liquid latex. Apply liquid latex around the nail again. Repeat the same water spotting process that was used for the last nail. Use a toothpick to pick up the rest of the polish from the surface of the water before removing your finger. Sealing your design with a top coat. Section off the bottom third of your nail with a piece of tape. Sponge some white polish in a semicircle above the tape. Make a small gradient with black, dark blue, light blue, and beige and sponge it over top of the white area. Use different shades of brown to make logs for a fire. Make a fire shape with white. Add some sparks around the fire and fill them in with yellow. Fill the white area in with yellow and orange around the edges. Add small stars in white. Sealing your design with a top coat. Use white to make a palm frond. Fill it in with a few dark green polishes. Add small stars around the palm frond. Sealing your design with a top coat. Sponge some shimmery black polish onto the center of the nail. Use a silver polish to make Twice's logo. Apply silver glitter polish over top of the logo. Add small stars around the logo. Sealing your design with a top coat and you're done! All of the products used in this video will be listed in the description below. Thanks for watching!